To clean, dismantle, as simple as unscrewing the bullet head and storing away for another time or hanging up on the wall. Your Tyyfnn product, a household product. This is a household product. We're going to unbox to show you what you get inside. It's called a manual plunger. You have different types of parts for the toilet, sink, tub, 90-degree angle, and more. You have a very easy to follow instruction guide, nice little pamphlet. And you have here is your product. Please remember to pull the foam out. And you screw on the adapter like so. Very simple to install. With the handle, all you need to do is force in and pump. When you pump, you're going to notice the gauge is going to go up. You have a foot piece that simply snaps into the bottom. That goes to the floor that you could now pump and watch the gauge go up as you need it. As you hit about 12 pumps, the gauge goes up. You have a maximum of 120 psi. Pull, show you the gauge again, nice and close up. You have a trigger that releases the pressure that's in here and place on the right angle, the straight plunger, or the plunger on the right angle into the toilet, or a small and a narrow plunger. You have a hanger that goes onto a wall like so by self-adhesive. When you pull the trigger, air is going to release, and you're going to hear a nice loud puff. We're going to put a right angle on. We're going to loosen up. Apply pressure and lock down. We go over to the toilet. We place in the bowl to free a clog. In this demonstration only, we're going to stick the plunger in, force, and squeeze. If you need to repump, you could pump in hand like so, and let pressure go again. Pull out, clean up. If you're cleaning out a kitchen sink, you can simply manually pump the unit. Get enough pressure in. Come over to the sink with the plunger. Fit over the hole. With force, squeeze the trigger. And done. The Tyyfnn pump could clear a drain, sewer, clogs, and more. It is 120 psi, up to 30 pumps to reach its fullest. It is a single trigger pull with multiple heads to put on for sinks, toilets, drain covers, and more. It is a pump that is hand pump, has a gauge, silver and blue, metal and plastic. It is a manual pump. Enjoy your Tyyfnn product if this is what you were looking for in a manual pump. Always disengage the pump and careful where pointing.